Boyfriend super tagal to pick up the phone Break na tayo. Break up. Hello! Hi boyfriend, good morning!
Good morning, sexy. I'm actually outside already.
Oh, are you excited to see me?
I brewed you green tea for us to...
Anong bruto?
I brewed ako ng tea.
Sige, I'll go get you na.
Nakabutan kami na ulan.
Okay, I'll go na. Ciao! Let's go get na my boyfriend. Oh, naulanan ka! Hi, boyfriend!
Good morning, this is for you. Our lunch later.
Huwag ka nagpapaulan, anak. Ay, hindi pala, anak. Boyfriend pala. So, boyfriend, what's our tawagan pala?
I'll call you sexy. Sexy
Okay.
What's sexy? Sexy. We're gonna chill by the veranda because I really like this view. I already told you that I really love this part of your house. And I like chilling with you here. Let's play some music.
So, boyfriend, you said makikinig tayo ng music. Gusto mo ko na lang kumanta for you?
Always. I always want to hear your voice.
Original song to ha, na operatic. Oh, I love you, boyfriend. I cannot live without your boyfriend. You and I are meant to be boyfriend. You are my boyfriend.
So cool.
Plastic.
Ang galing ng boses mo doon.
Thank you
Bakit
guys.
ang dami mong vibrato doon?
Ikaw, ano yung sinasabi mong mag-ano tayo? Ano sabi mo? Mag-vocal.
Vocalization. Ha.
Ano bang kumagaling tayo? Every time ginagawa natin to.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Buhatin natin yung sarili natin bangko.
Natawa sa pagpapako.
Ano yun? I'm tired na, boyfriend. Ano ba ang sikreto para sa isang lasting relationship for you?
Give and take.
Honesty talaga.
I think you get in less stress and less trouble if you're just honest.
Sa mga nanonood po, comment lang below po ano yung mga
Secrets
Oo.
mo.
So, boyfriend, since you're my boyfriend for the day, magbuhatan tayo ng sariling bangko.
What I like about you.
Yes! Nakuha mo talaga kahit hindi ka pa sinasabi.
We complete each other's
Yeah,
sentences.
so go fighting.
I really like your fighting spirit because kapag meron siyang prinsipyo na pinangahawakan, ay nahahawakan niya talaga yun. Number 2, what may number 2?
Ooh!
Like professionally, you remind me to really take care of ourselves. Number 3, I must admit, I really love your hair.
Guys, yung boyfriend ko, lagi niya tinatouch yung hair ko.
So many things eh. Number 4,
Qualities eh. Gandahan mo naman para naman, di ba?
hindi, sandali. It's morning.
Ako naman, bilang umaga pa nga po, si boyfriend medyo ano pa.
Slow.
You're sweet naman pala talaga.
Totoo?
Oo, lately ko lang masyado talaga yan napapansin. Nung nitong mga lagi tayong magkasama. Super maabilidad. Ano yan? Maabilidad? Maabilidad. Grabe si boyfriend. Nakakabilib yung kaya mga abilities. The smart. Wise to na tao si boyfriend.
Hindi kita hayaan na sa future maghihirap tayo. I will work hard for us.
I'm also hardworking naman, boyfriend. So we will work hard for the future of our children. Gising ka, boyfriend. Gising ka. Oo.
Sandali!
Medyo nahihirap